chance to work in an automobile industry in such a flexible work culture between such great leaders and great mentors. Yes, MG has supported me a lot in enhancing whatever I learned during my break.
It was through MG's leadership's trust that I was able to handle the projects that I have done so far. Because of that, I have gained a lot of confidence. I have managed to do things independently.
Technically, I was having a lot of trouble even in doing Excel. But my colleagues, they helped me a lot. Apart from that, there were a lot of training sessions.
It gained me more the knowledge that what I expected and how I have to be and how I should be and how I have to be set a benchmark for the others too.
There was a time in between when my kids were very sick. So at that time, my superiors and my mentors have really supported me well. Flexibility is a very big part of MG, which really helped me at that time.
I had some medical problem due to which I have to take a very, very long break. And MG supported me all through that time.
So there are times when you need to do something urgently, and it's not like I have to take a day off or really worry about how do I do this. I can work from home and do this. I mean, it's not a regular thing, but you can.
My daughter was sick during that time, and it took 2 months to recover. They never ask me about when you are joining and you have not done this work.
Yes, I would say Mr. Prashant Singh. So he's my boss. So he really helped me. He has given me a lot of different variety of work. He gave me a lot of data to read, to understand, to bring the insights out of the data.
I think working alongside Gaurav Gupta, who's been the Chief Growth Officer at MG, understanding from his leadership, from whatever nuggets of wisdom he has, kind of imparted on us, has really, really helped me a long way.
I had a lot of mentors here. Everyone has given me something unique, or you can say some new thing to learn. So I can't pinpoint one person that this person has given me this thing. Everyone has their own contribution in my career.
My immediate manager has been extremely supportive and always backs me with any kind of support I need. And frankly, the whole office, all business leaders, wherever I have needed some help, direct me in a way that I can do what I need to do.
Mr. Asim Jaffrey and Mr. Dhiresh Malhotra. Two names, they supported me, they taught me, they scolded me also very badly. All things now helped me to reach at place where I get appreciations. When I acknowledge that appreciation, that remind me of my mistakes, what I did in initial phase in that same situation. So these two names are very important to me.